Eurocad analysis. We are going to continue this analysis. I am already in the trade. I'm going to explain why I made the trade. So, out of the 7 steps that I follow always to make a trade, the first step is highlight your supply and demand zones on the 4-hour time frame. So, we have a supply zone up here where price rejected the 1.50 quarter point and made a reversal here and made a supply zone. That's where my green zone is. All right, first rule is already done. Supply and demand zones already highlighted. Second is quarter points. Quarter points are already set. Third is break of structure. We have a break of structure on the 4-hour. We have a break of structure occurring in this area. This broke this structure. This structure broke this structure. So we have a reversal going on and a break of support areas being broken. 4 is FVG. That's the 4th step, is look for a fair value gap. So after it rejected the 1.50, it made a reversal and it made a supply zone. And then I also did a fair value gap where you see these continuous bearish candles. What you do from there is measure the top and the bottom of the move. And as you can see, price went down, came back up where? At the 38 and 58%, the kill zone. That's what sell pressure happened. Went down, broke this structure, broke this demand zone, came back up to the same structure it broke, and now that supply is turned into, that demand zone is now turned into a supply. And that is why I sold there. So we have a supply sell. We have a quarter point that is near, the quarter point that price is near at is at 1.50. The quarter points are very crucial to me when it comes to helping me realize where the trend is going to go to. And if we go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see this fair value gap in this area where it broke structure as well. You measure that movement and you get price going back where? At the 38 and 58%, and that's where I made my entry. As you can see, London opened here, but it rejected the high it made when the market opened over here. So market opened here, went up first. The power of 3 is if market opens and goes up, the next move usually goes down. If the market opens, goes down first, then the next move is going up. In this case, market open, went up first, then it's heading back down. And to confirm all the analysis I'm making when it comes to the 7 rules, supply and demand already set and done. It's at the 4-hour supply where I made the sell. Quarter point, nearest quarter point, in order to help me indicate where the trend is going to head to, which is quarter point to quarter point. So that means it's going to head to the next one, which is 1.48750, and even lower to the 1.47500. Already set. The breakout structure already setting up already on the 4 and 1 hour. Fair value gap already indicated and already made the execution based on the fair value gap to help me find direction. For instance, right now, currently on the 1 hour during London, as you can see, there is a movement over here that occurred from this top to this bottom. And price stayed below that fair value gap area and is continuing lower and breaking structure. Currently, right now, price is at the 149.125. We want that zone, that demand zone, to be broken, which is around where market opened for this week. We want it to go lower in that and stay low so we can still stick with the sell. And the last thing that we use to confirm the sell in this setup is the beat the market maker patterns, which is 6 patterns that I use when it comes to key levels. I will show you that what that means. We're gonna go straight to where I have saved the picture. Let's go to pins, and these are the 6 patterns I use and look for when it comes to key levels. In this case, as you can see on the left side, the second box, pat 2 short, that's pretty much identical to what happened over here. As you can see, we have the blue box, which is Asian session, and London rejected Asian sessions high and went down from there. So that is why I also sold where I sold right here, as you can see where it starts right over here. Pretty much where the fair value gap occurred, which is in this area. Price went down, came back up to the 50%, sold right here. Now it's going according to plan. Thank you guys. This is eurocad. We will follow along until it hits TP. Stay tuned.